Hi everyone, my name is Alexis Basden, and today I'm going to be discussing why nursing is one of the most rewarding careers and why I encourage anyone who has an interest in the field to pursue it. Imagine being the lifeline for a patient during some sort of their scariest times, but also being able to guide them through the pain and uncertainty of the situation at hand. Nursing is not only a career, but it is one of the most rewarding professions that one can have. Every single day, you are able to make a difference in someone's life, while also experiencing personal and professional growth. Some of the points that I will be discussing today are the impact that nurses have on patients and their families, the variety of opportunities that nursing offers, and the sense of support and community. In order to understand why nursing is such a rewarding career, it is crucial to know what nurses do. Nurses are faced with situations every day that allow them to make a change for their patients' lives. Nurses form emotional connections. During critical moments, nurses are the primary caregiver to a patient. Nurses not only provide medical care, but emotional support as well. Nurses provide support to their patients' families. When we provide end-of-life care, for example, patients' families rely on a nurse to give closure and provide a dignified death to their family member. One instance specifically, I had a patient one time that the family decided to turn to comfort care for their family member. The patient had terminal cancer and there was nothing else medically that we could have done. The family told me after their family member had passed that they could not have made it through such a difficult time without the nurses that provided care for their family member. The nurse that took the time to explain everything that was happening were patient while the family made these hard decisions and provided comfort to the patient and their family during a difficult time, made such an impact. It is rewarding to know that your voice and your presence helps others, even through times that you did nothing medically. Patients trust nurses. They trust them to treat them with dignity and respect. There are studies now that show that there are better patient outcomes associated with patients trusting their nurse. Patients are also more likely to be compliant with their medical care if they trust their nurse. Nurses are the patient's advocate. They are the voice for the patient. They are the eyes for the doctor. Without nurses, physicians would not know what was happening with a patient, as they are busy and have many patients. An example of this would be advocating for a patient if they are in pain and the pain management control that is prescribed is not working. Since we've kind of touched on the nurse-to-patient side of this, let's discuss the opportunities for growth. Nursing is so versatile and there are opportunities everywhere. There are many specialties in nursing, such as ICU, ER, med-surg, oncology, psych, OR, outpatient. The list is endless. Nurses have many choices to choose from when they are choosing a specialty. Therefore, they can go where they feel it would be the best fit for them. Nurses can also switch specialties at any time. They are not stuck in one place. Nurses are also able to further their career if they would choose. They can further on to become an advanced practice nurse, such as a nurse practitioner or a CRNA. By furthering your education, you will gain more responsibility and autonomy in your practice, and you will also gain a higher salary. Finally, nursing provides community and support. Nursing provides a team-like environment. You work with physicians and pharmacists and respiratory therapists, physical therapists, the list goes on. They are all a part of the nursing team. You work with people who have the same enjoyment for patient care. You also learn every day from your other peers. If someone has an interest to teach, they can also have an opportunity to mentor or precept new nurses. Overall, the profession is very versatile, and I believe nursing is one of the most rewarding careers. Whether it be from patient care, personal or professional growth, or from the relationships gained, you will always feel rewarded by the profession. I encourage anyone who is interested in the nursing profession to pursue the career. It is something that can be so difficult sometimes, but more rewarding than I could ever speak about in just 5 minutes. Thank you for listening.